Fugees. Fugees and my D trying to diss now too, huh? Well, I ain't prejudiced, I don't give a fuck. This is what it sounds like when we ride on our enemies. Biatch. We ride on our enemies. Hey, got some static with some niggas on the other side of town. Let my little cousin K roll, he's a rider now. What they want from us motherfucking thug niggas. Used to love niggas, now I plug niggas and slug niggas. Am I wrong? Niggas making songs trying to get with us. Must be gone off stress, we in the west we trust. To the chest I bust, then we ride to the sun come shining back to brighten up the sky. I mean he died, but the Fugees was trying to do me. Look bitch, I cut your face, this ain't no motherfucking movie. Then we watch the other two die slow, castrated, entertaining at my motherfucking sideshow. Bam, set my planet mode, time to exterminate my foes. I can't stand you hoes. Now label this my fucking trick shot. My lyrics running all you cowards out of hip hop. When we ride on our enemies, when we ride on our enemies, I bet you motherfuckers die. When we ride on our enemies, when we ride on our enemies, bet all you motherfuckers. Now try your eyes, you was heartless on your hits. Niggas love to scream peace after they saw some shit. Pay attention, here's a word to those that rob me. I murder you, then I run a train on my beef. Don't fuck with me, nigga, you barely living. Don't you got sickle cell? See me have a seizure on stage? You ain't feeling well, hell. How many niggas wanna be involved? See, I was only talking to Biggie, but I'll kill all of y'all, then ball. Then tell the bat to keep her mouth closed. Fuck around and get tossed up by the fucking outlaws. Before I leave, make sure everybody heard. No, I meant every motherfucking word when we ride on our enemies. When we ride on our enemies, make sure everybody die when we ride on our enemies. I make sure everybody die when we ride on our enemies.
J'ai le droit à Unenglish. Parle-moi avec ton accent. Ton accent. Ah, j'adore, voulez-vous coucher avec moi? On va profiter de la fête. Reste là, reste là. Shot.
You, then I run a train on my beat. Don't fuck with me, nigga, you barely living. Don't you got sickle cell? See me have a seizure on stage? You ain't feeling well.